Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have any of the following three vehicles guys, I'm talking about Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriot or Dodge Dart guys, you most likely guys we have the 6F24 transmission. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. They started using that one past 2013. So check out guys, we'll have more information in the description of the video below. This is the transmission. We'll have a video guys how to do a fluid change, all that stuff. We'll have a video how to open it, what's on the inside, how to replace solenoids, all that will be there. But what we'll be doing today guys, we'll explain how often you should change your transmission fluid. Now some people say do not touch it, it's a sealed transmission, it doesn't have a dipstick, it's a lifetime deal. Guys, that lifetime deal, if we believe that guys, we'll never replace the transmission in the shop, and we've replaced so many transmissions lately, the sealed transmissions, because practically you're supposed to change your transmission fluid on this vehicle guys at about 60,000 miles. Now if you do some towing, faster driving, high performance driving, I'll recommend 30 to 50,000 miles, usually 30 to 50,000, but according to the service manual it says 60,000 miles you should change your fluid. And we have a video guys on a transmission with only 39,000 miles. We drained the transmission fluid. It was bad guys, I mean it was wore out. So definitely it's worth guys, okay, it's worth to replace your fluid more often. Now quick introduction guys to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos guys on every car, engine, transmission we get at the shop. We'll be taking everything apart. So every car we get, at least 200 videos will be made. Why we did that? So we can save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully it will be helpful information. Quick walk around, that's what the transmission looks like. Those are the numbers right here, 6F24, as you can see. Front wheel drive vehicle, two wheel drive. And you have the torque converter right here, which is a torque converter, attaches to the flywheel with 6 bolts. Your drive shaft for the passenger side exits on this side. This is your oil pan. This is where you're going to check your transmission fluid level. And in addition guys, there are two ways to add fluid. Some people do it through here, some people do it through the differential fuel plug, which is the official fuel plug of the transmission over there. And on this side you will have the slot for the other for the other CV shaft guys. Right here, this is for the driver's side, and that's it. That's what it looks like. This looks like the pump is right here on that transmission, and the drain plug is right there on the bottom. So quick walk around the transmission guys. As I said, it's been used in Jeep and Dodge vehicles guys, and an interesting fact, this is actually a Hyundai transmission. It's not Chrysler transmission, so it's a Korean transmission that you have in your vehicle guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.